Last prosecutor on Michael Flynn case departs Mueller's office. A high-profile counter-terrorism prosecutor who handled the guilty plea of retired Light General Zainab Ahmed has concluded her detail with the special counsel's office but will continue to represent the office on specific pending matters that were assigned to her during her detail, Peter Carr said in a statement. The announcement of Ahmed's departure comes on the heels of press reports that her colleague Andrew Weissmann, the lead prosecutor on Paul Manafort's case, would leave the office in coming days. The end of Ahmed has had a role in the Russia investigation from almost the very beginning, well before Robert Mueller's appointment. Another Justice Ahmed and Brandon Van Grack together signed Flynn's in November 2017. They secured an admit. Van Grack left the special counsel's office earlier this year and was recently appointed the head of the Justice Department's Foreign Influence Unit. Now that both Ahmed and Van Grack have finished their sojourns in the special counsel's office, it appears unlikely that Mueller's team plans to bring any further charges against Flynn. According to Carr, Ahmed will continue to handle Flynn's case and other matters that were assigned to her during her time with the special counsel from her next role at the Justice Department, which has not yet been announced. Before she arrived at the special counsel's office, Ahmed prosecuted terrorism cases out of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Brooklyn. In AAA discussed, I think the best way for prosecutors to win trust from all communities, including the Muslim community, is to do their job fairly, with an open mind, and with integrity, throughout every stage of the criminal justice process, Ahmed answered. As prosecutors, read more from Yahoo News.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.